Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So, to get started, you will want to turn off your device or access the boot menu, which we can do so by swiping down twice from the top of the screen. And right here in the corner we will see our power button. Click on it, and from the options you want to hold power off. When you do so, it gives you this window, reboot to safe mode. Now we're going to confirm it by clicking on OK. And while the device is rebooting, I'm going to quickly go over this mode. So this mode is designed for troubleshooting purposes. So if you have some kind of application that is causing your device problems and you just cannot use the normal Android without it, or right now, you can boot this device into safe mode and that application will no longer be able to function. So any application that you've installed yourself after the setup will not work in this mode. And you can see in a second, do you have any applications here actually? No, so these are all default apps. So normally you will see some kind of applications that will be grayed out and you just won't be able to open them up, and if you try to, it will give you a pop-up right here that apps are disabled in safe mode. Additionally, widgets usually will not work in here, so let's see if we have any widgets. Oh, I just can't even add them. So as you can see, if I try to, it gives me this message that I can't do it. Now anyway, once you're done using your safe mode, you can go back to the normal one by clicking on the power button again, and this time around selecting restart. The device will reboot, and when it boots back up, it automatically enters normal mode. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.